Namaste students. Today we will study about past tense. Past tense is a verb that refers to the past time. There are 4 aspects of past tense. Simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Simple past tense is formed by subject plus second form of the verb. It indicates an action or an event completed in the past. For example, I received his letters a week ago. She left school last year. We did not hear the bell. This is a negative sentence in simple past tense. Negative sentences in simple past tense can be formed by subject plus did not plus first form of the verb. For interrogative sentences in simple past tense, the formation is did plus subject plus first form of the verb. For example, did you watch TV last night? You must always remember that simple past tense often occurs with adverbs or adverb phrases of past time, such as yesterday, a week ago, last night, a month ago, etc. Past continuous tense can be formed by subject plus was were plus first form of the verb plus ing. An action going on at some time in the past is said to be in past continuous tense. They were playing football after school. She was reading a poem by Robert Frost. In these kinds of sentences, the listener understands what time we are talking about. They were not playing football after school. This is a negative sentence in past continuous tense, which is formed by subject plus was were plus not plus first form of the verb plus ing. Interrogative sentences like were they playing football after school can be formed by was were plus subject plus first form of the verb plus ing. Another action of the past continuous tense is used to describe an action going on for some time during which something took place. I got this old photograph while I was looking for my passport. This sentence has 2 parts. I got this old photograph, which is a simple past tense action. So this action will always be a shorter action, and it will also be an interrupted action in sentences like this, in this kind of sentences. And the other part will be a longer action, which will be always shown by past continuous tense. Now here in this example, the girl was searching for her passport in the past. It doesn't matter which time she started searching and when the action ended. But yes, her action was going on in the past when an interrupted action took place. And what is it? It was that she got the photograph. The getting of the photograph was an interrupted action which took place in the continuous action of looking for her passport. Look at another example. When I met him on the street, he was going to the movie. Here, the longer action is shown by past continuous tense, and the interrupted action is shown by simple past tense. The past perfect tense is formed by subject plus had plus third form of the verb. This tense expresses an action already completed at some time in the past before another past action. For example, I had written the letter before he arrived. The negative sentence in past perfect tense is formed by subject plus had plus not plus third form of the verb. They had not eaten for 5 hours. Had he prepared himself for the exam? This is an interrogative sentence in past perfect tense, which is formed by had plus subject plus third form of the verb. Look at this sentence. I had written the letter before he arrived. In this sentence, two actions took place in the past, and one of them took place before the other. The action which took place before is expressed by past perfect tense, and the later action is expressed by simple past tense. So, in this sentence, he arrived is a later action, so it will be expressed by simple past tense, and I had written the letter before will be in past perfect tense. Now let us understand this with another sentence. The doctor came after the patient had died. The patient had died is a previous action, so it will be in past perfect tense. The doctor came is a later action, so it will be in simple past tense. Past perfect continuous tense is formed by subject plus had been plus first form of the verb plus ing. It is used to express an action that was in progress in the past before some other action. Remember that the past perfect continuous tense is like the past perfect tense, but the only difference is that it expresses longer actions in the past before another action took place. Look at this example. Rahul had been running for 1 hour before he got tired. Here, Rahul knows that he got tired at some point in the past, and that was because before that he had been running for 2 hours. So, the earlier past action, which was in a longer period of time, will be in past perfect continuous tense, and the other part will be in simple past tense. Now, let's see the negative formation to this tense. Mary had not been waiting for longer than 10 minutes when Joey arrived. We form the negative sentences in past perfect continuous tense by subject plus had not been plus first form of the verb plus ing. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you have understood past tense and its different aspects. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.